Here are all the items inside. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna unbox this Puluz 80cm light box. This light box is an all-in-one portable studio and easy to use. It is very easy to install and uninstall and can be used on different occasions, or you can also bring it anywhere. So now, I'm going to open it. Inside the brown box, you can see a nice black carrying case which has a Puluz name in front. You can also read Puluz Photo Light Box. Measurement of this carrying case is around 33 inches and 7 inches. I'll line up all the items included so we can see it closely. Here are all the items inside. Of course, it's very important to read this instruction manual. You can see all the items inside are listed here. And of course, the product instructions. At the back, you can see the installation guide. I'm going to set this aside first. Now, let's start off with the 3-way connector. It comes with 8 3-way connectors. Then, this bracket. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pieces bracket. Next are these 2 pieces dimmable LED light. You can see there's a clip here for easy installation. This LED light can be adjusted inside for you so you can choose a different light angle depending on your preference. Lamp plates, total lumen are 8,500 and color temperature is 5,500. It is super bright, so you can provide the adequate light source for your pictures or videos. LED light is combined with the silver reflective interior of the studio, which provides even lighting to minimize the shadows. The next is this power supply. This is the slider, so you can dim or brighten the light. Next is the soft cloth with velcro tape on it. This helps to soften the light to prevent the light spot on items when shooting. Then, this background. It comes with 3 colors, light orange, white, and black. Then lastly, the studio cloth, which is made from reflective fabric. It comes with velcro for easy installation. Now we're done with all the things included in this light box. I will now assemble it and show you how to install this Puluz light box in just few easy steps. First step is to connect this 3-way connector to the support bars or bracket. You're just going to connect everything together so you can make a box. Next step is to attach the soft cloth on the top of the bracket using the velcro. Then install these 2 LED lights. You can buckle the tube horizontally or vertically. Also do this. make sure to lock it using the Velcro tape inside. Make sure to lock this studio cloth using the Velcro tape inside. This is what it looks inside. You can see that it has 3 side reflective materials that ensure high quality photos or videos. You can put this background, depends on your color preference. You can use orange, white, or black. You can easily attach it by using this Velcro tape inside. Let's connect this power supply. You can use the slider so you can dim or brighten the lights inside the studio box. Now I'm going to use the white background. Then lastly, zip the sides to seal the studio.